Hello, welcome back. I'm Juliana and today we're going to make coconut balls. So these are super easy to make. It's literally like 3 ingredients and it's great for kids because they're colorful and they're pretty fun to make. So our first 2 ingredients, you need coconut flakes and sweetened condensed milk. You need about 1 can of condensed milk. So we're just gonna do that. And just pour that into your bowl. And then for the coconut, I kind of just like to eyeball it like by consistency, but it's about half a cup to a cup. You just want to add enough until you know it'll be able to form a ball and stay firm. So just kind of slowly add more and more coconut to it until you think it's the right consistency. This is about a good consistency. Alright, so now that we have our coconut and condensed milk all mixed together, you notice I have a few bowls here, and that's because we are going to make them different colors. So if you have just like drop food coloring, that's probably the easiest. So I'm going to go ahead and split my batter into the different bowls, one for each color. And you can just use your main bowl as one of them as well. So, yeah. And then, so I just equally portion them. And then you're gonna take whatever colors you want, and you're gonna drop them in there. So be careful, because food coloring does go a long way, so don't add like a bunch of drops. I would just add like maybe 2 per thing. Like depending on how much batter you have, you can just eyeball the food coloring. But I'm going to do about 2 drops per bowl. Now I'm going to go ahead and color the rest of them. Alright, so now I have all my colors, as you can see. And you're just going to get like a plate or bowl and you're going to put some more coconut flakes into there. And so now you're just going to use your hands, so maybe wash them before you do this. And you're going to take one of your colors and you're going to start rolling it into a ball. And they can just, they don't have to be like that big. They can just be like that, or you can make them bigger. And then once you're done rolling it, you're going to put it and roll it around in the shredded coconut. Just coat it nicely. And then you want to have a plate so you can put them there when they're done. And so you just do this with all of them until you're done. So yeah, I'll see you when I have rolled them all out. Alright, so I finished rolling out all the coconut balls and here they are. You can just align them like this, and then I just put more coconut flakes to decorate it. If you want, you can also refrigerate them for like 30 minutes just so that they firm up a bit more. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye.